2025 was a great year for us here at Scottsdale Restorations. We had a lot of incredible projects, especially in the audio tuning department. Starting off with the C706, let me show you how we created this setup. We built speaker pods that sit right behind the seat headrests and then molded a 10-inch subwoofer in the center of the cockpit. That bass hits super clean right beside your head when you're cruising with the top down in this car. In the trunk, the amps and the DSP sit on a motorized drawer. The idea was to retain the factory trunk space when the drawer is in, and at the touch of a button, reveal that showpiece. On the classic car side, our 65 Caprice was a real treat. We built a front center console to house the cup holders, light switches, and head unit that give us Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also upgraded all of the door speakers and built out the entire trunk with custom paneling. The fourth order blow-through subbox houses two 12-inch JL audio subwoofers that port right into the cabin. That's matched up with a rear deck lid holding four more 8-inch subwoofers. Back in the trunk, you have a hidden cabinet underneath the floor, the amp rack, and those gorgeous side panels and trim rings. The 65 Caprice turned out great. There's tons of bass, the speakers sound fantastic, and when you're driving around town with the exhaust cutouts open or closed, it's a blast to drive. Moving into more of an everyday setup, check out what we did on the 69 Torino. The white interior on this car had seen better days. It was looking a little run down and dirty from its years of use. We removed every interior piece to reupholster them in black leather, and boy did it come out good. The seats feature a two-tone worn leather pattern, the Grand Touring emblem on the door panels really pops, and that interior is looking like it rolled out in 1969 just yesterday. We wanted to give this car a discreet yet powerful audio system. We hid the subwoofers and amps behind the rear seat and paneled out the entire trunk. That way any gear that gets packed in there stays free and clear from the audio setup. Moving back into the modern side of things, Kayla Rundle stopped by with her Camaro SS. This is a car that has been with her for a long time, and she's very sentimental about, so we knew that we had to deliver on the promises we made. Here's what we did. We started with installing a Kenwood head unit to give her access to Apple CarPlay when she's cruising around. The team then created custom door panels to fit around the new Kenwood speakers, paint match to go with the existing door trim. Then we moved into the rear, where we designed and hand-built a subwoofer enclosure where the rear seats would normally sit. Two subwoofers sitting on a leather-wrapped surface with Alcantara trim panels, and her logo lit up in blue to show it all off. In the trunk, we built a custom amp rack to house the amplifiers powering all of these new components. Kayla's been cruising around with this new setup, bumping her tunes, and she absolutely loves it, so we couldn't be more pleased. Going back to the Corvette side, we took on this super clean yellow C5 Corvette. We installed a new head unit up front, again, to make it feel more modern with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and upgraded the speakers all the way around the car. We overhauled the trunk by adding a custom amp rack, a view window to see all of the clean amp wiring every time you open the trunk, and a corner-mounted subwoofer to maximize cargo space while still being able to enjoy those tunes. Our goal was to bring this car back up to modern standards, and I think the team knocked it out of the park with this one. Moving into one of my favorite builds of the year, we did something a little different on this Ferrari California. Before the team touched this car, this California came from the factory with only 4 speakers. We upgraded it to fire off of 12 speakers all over the cockpit, added a head unit to be able to cruise around with Apple CarPlay, and built a custom amp shelf and sub enclosure in the trunk. Both lit up to show off the hard work our audio team did running that wiring and that gorgeous subwoofer. We even installed a MagnaFlow catback exhaust and Corsa cold air intake on the shop truck. Yeah, that's the truck we run back and forth to get supplies with. Sounds great now, you gotta love it. We also attended many events this year, including sponsoring the monthly Arizona Cars and Coffee, the largest one in the state, Highline Autos at High Street. Every month was filled with amazing conversations from gearheads asking questions about how we built these projects to what ideas are brewing at the shop for our future projects. We also participated in the annual Good Guys Southwest Nationals event where the best muscle cars from around the country all get together in Scottsdale to be judged and take home awards. We brought out quite a few of our projects to demo the audio systems and show off our mechanical skills. And we opened our doors for the first time to hold an open house with fresh barbecue and cocktails just after December's Cars and Coffee. It was a wild success and a great way to interact with so many of the folks that are part of the Scottsdale Restorations family. Towards the end of the summer, we noticed there were so many car events popping up, but it was hard to find a central place to really tune into all of them and find out what's going on this weekend. So we launched a community service project that shouts out all of the events coming up in Arizona. It's hosted by the Weather Girl, and she'll gladly tell you about the best car events happening in the Valley every week. She even drives that sweet Ferrari California I was telling you about. Her page is here if you want to check it out. Guys, there were so many fun moments and incredible projects throughout the year. I'm sure I'm missing a few, but we have a couple cool projects that I haven't told you guys about. We've kept under wraps, like we're adding on a rear center console to that 65 Caprice. You're not gonna wanna miss that. Hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you guys next week.